अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है 11th क्लास के लिए इंटरप्रेन्योरशिप से, दैट इज़ प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ रूरल इंटरप्रेन्योरशिप। हमारा जो ये चैप्टर चल रहा है दैट इज़ रूरल इंटरप्रेन्योरशिप से हम बात करेंगे कि जो रूरल इंटरप्राइजेज़ हैं, जो रूरल इंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं, उनकी क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, उन पे आज हम बात करेंगे। Developing entrepreneurship, especially rural entrepreneurship, is not so easy. यानी कि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप को डेवलप करना रूरल गाँवों में ये उतना आसान नहीं है. It is constrained with several problems. The general bottlenecks in the development of village industries are financial constraints, lack of technical know-how, lack of training and extension services, management problems, lack of quality control, high cost of production due to high input cost, lack of communication and market information, poor quality of raw materials, lack of storage and warehousing facilities, obsolete and primitive technology, and lack of promotional strategy. According to the ninth plan, the major problems faced in developing entrepreneurship in rural areas are, पहला क्या है, inadequate flow of credit, यानी कि इनको क्रेडिट नहीं मिलता है आसानी से, use of obsolete technology, machinery and equipment, poor quality standards, inadequate infrastructural facilities. One of the major problems faced in developing entrepreneurship in rural areas is lack of awareness, which is most important, and knowledge about the importance of developing industries in rural areas. Adding to this is distinct disinterest shown by rural people towards assuming the career as an entrepreneur. तो ये जो लोग होते हैं गाँव के, इनकी इंटरेस्ट भी वो नहीं दिखाते हैं कि वो अपना कैरियर एक बहैसियत एक एंटरप्रेन्योर अपनाएं. Rural village people generally want to take up salaried employment because of assured income, lesser hours of work, lesser degree of responsibility, etc. This is supported by the society's higher degree of status accorded to the salaried people than to self-employed ones or say entrepreneurs. Further, the rural people are generally not aware about the entrepreneurial opportunities available and also about support organizations and other information required to take the first step in their entrepreneurial career. Even those who are aware about the facilities and support system for starting entrepreneurial career find organizational climate to be not so helpful. Thus, the environment in the family, society, and the support system is generally not conducive to encourage the rural people to consider self-employment and entrepreneurial career as an option to salaried employment. Besides, developing rural entrepreneurship faces all these problems that are faced in the development of small scale industries in the country. How to develop rural entrepreneurship? अब इसको डेवलप कैसे करें? ये तो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, लेकिन इनको सॉल्व करना है. तो कैसे सॉल्व करें? अगर ये गाँवों की जो इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट नहीं होगी, सोशल डेवलपमेंट नहीं होगी, इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन नहीं होगी, तो कंट्री की डेवलपमेंट नहीं हो सकती है. Establishing a new industry and thereby developing entrepreneurship is not one man activity. In fact, it involves multi pronged activities. Though the answer to the question how to develop entrepreneurship lies in the solutions of the problems faced in this regard, yet the following measures are suggested for developing entrepreneurship in the rural areas in the country. Raw material is a must for any industry. ये तो प्राइमरी ज़रूरत है. However, the non-availability of raw materials accompanied by their prohibitive cost have weakened the viability of these industries. Past experience bears evidence that rural industries with employment potential cannot be sustained for long unless a strong raw material base is created in rural areas itself. Therefore, an urgent policy is called for to strengthen the raw material base in rural areas. तो दूसरा क्या है, दूसरा पॉइंट है जो हम कर सकते हैं इसकी डेवलपमेंट के लिए, दैट इज फाइनेंस इज कंसिडर्ड एज lubricant फॉर सेटिंग अप एंड रनिंग एन इंडस्ट्री. Funds therefore needed to be made available on time at soft terms and conditions to those who really need it. तो और एक फैक्टर है, in order to solve the problem of marketing, मार्केटिंग की प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए जो ये इंडस्ट्रीज़ के लिए रूरल इंडस्ट्रीज़ के लिए है, कॉमन प्रोडक्शन कम मार्केटिंग सेंटर्स नीड टू बी सेट अप and developed with modern infrastructural facilities, particularly in the areas having good production and growth potential. This would help in promoting export business on the one hand and bringing the buyers and sellers in close interaction, avoiding middlemen in between them. On the other hand, legislative measures have to be taken to make the government purchases compulsory for rural industries. Chotha point. One peculiarity of rural entrepreneurs is that most of them join their entrepreneurial career not by choice but by chance. Lack of aptitude and competency on the part of such entrepreneurs makes the unit sick. Hence, there is a need to develop entrepreneurial attitude and competencies among the prospective entrepreneurs through the training interventions like entrepreneurship development programs, that is EDP, women entrepreneurship development programs, that is TRISOM, and TRISOM. Fifth one point is, one effective way to inculcate the entrepreneurial acumen and attitude may be imparting entrepreneurial education in the schools, colleges, and universities, that younger minds are more susceptible to be molded is well evidenced by the popularly known as Kakinada experiment in Andhra Pradesh. Sixth one point is, sometimes the real problem in setting up industries is not the non-availability of facilities but non-awareness of facilities what are available. The need is therefore to disseminate information about all what is available to provide to the entrepreneurs to facilitate them in setting up industries. Proper provisions need to be made to impart the institutional training to orient the entrepreneurs in specific products and trades so that the local resources can be harnessed properly. And the last point is, our accumulated Experience bears ample evidences to the fact that the non-governmental organizations, popularly known as NGOs, can prove instrumental in developing rural entrepreneurship in the country. The role of NGOs in developing entrepreneurship is therefore discussed. इस पे हम अलग से बात करेंगे NGOs के बारे में. Thanks.